If you have a nebulizer at home, you must know how important it is to properly maintain them. Did you know efficient drying and proper storage are just as crucial as disinfecting? Today, we are learning about steps that can be easily overlooked in the cleaning process. First, wash your hands with antibacterial soap. Then, disassemble all parts of the nebulizer and clean with warm water and soap in a dedicated wash basin. Use disposable paper towel as scrubber, then discard after each use. Next are the disinfecting methods. Depending on your nebulizer, you may choose heat or cold disinfecting. For heat disinfecting, you must rinse the nebulizer first. Then choose between boil, microwave steam, electric steamer, and dishwasher sanitizing. For cold soaking disinfecting, you can use either 70% isopropyl alcohol to soak for 5 minutes or 3% hydrogen peroxide for 3 minutes soaking, then rinse with only sterile water. Never use tap water to rinse after disinfecting. The following step is drying. One way would be placing the nebulizers on clean disposable towel and let them air dry, or use an electric steamer that comes with a drying function. Drying rack is not recommended for CF patients due to cross-contamination concerns. Finally, after the nebulizers are completely dry, find an adequate, clean containers or food bags for storage and relocate them. This daily job can be easily performed by using an all-in-one drying, disinfecting, and storage unit. Introducing WABI steam sanitizer and dryer that is trusted by many hospitals and doctors in the CF clinics. It offers a simple 3-in-1 disinfecting, drying, and storage solution for your after-wash process. WABI sanitizer and dryers, a simple and safe after-wash solutions for CF patients.